All about snoring. In this video, we will explore the various serious health issues that snoring can be a sign of. Before that, we should know what is snoring. Snoring is the noise produced when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. And now, a brief about sleep apnea, which is a common culprit. Snoring is a common symptom of obstructive sleep apnea. Do you know what are the most common dangers of sleep apnea? Untreated sleep apnea can have detrimental effects on your overall health. 1. High blood pressure. The frequent drops in oxygen levels during sleep can cause hypertension or worsen existing high blood pressure. 2. Cardiovascular diseases. Sleep apnea has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, heart attack, stroke, and irregular heart rhythms. 3. Daytime sleepiness. The disrupted sleep patterns associated with sleep apnea can result in excessive daytime sleepiness, fatigue, and reduced cognitive function. So, let's talk about what are the other health issues linked to snoring. While sleep apnea is a primary concern, snoring can also be an indicator of other serious health issues. 1. Nasal congestion and allergy. Snoring can be caused by nasal congestion resulting from allergies or a deviated nasal septum, DNS. 2. Obesity. Excessive weight and obesity are known risk factors for snoring. 3. Smoking and alcohol consumption. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can relax the muscles in the throat and promote snoring. 4. Hormonal changes. The hormonal fluctuations can lead to changes in muscle tone and increased likelihood of snoring. Remember, snoring can be a sign of serious health issues, including sleep apnea and other conditions that require appropriate medical attention. Snoring is not just a harmless noise, it can be a clue to serious health issues. Remember, it's not just about getting a good night's sleep, it's about safeguarding your health and improving your quality of life. Thank you.